What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking fabulous day. This is going to be a cool freaking video, a nice unveiling video of my new fairing kit for my beautiful 2008 CBR 1000 RR. It's going to be looking great. Now, if you guys remember this bike, and I'm sure a lot of you have, this bike had a couple different wraps on it. First was the InShane Designs like 80s kind of psychedelic, I guess it was like an 80s wrap, which I freaking loved it so much. And then I ended up having that wrap pulled off, and this wrap was then done later on down the line, which I also really liked a lot as well. I will be honest, the first wrap I was more liking towards. This wrap was great, and I love this wrap. It was just as crazy as I wanted it to be. But the first wrap that was on the bike, I thought was just, I should have left it on, to be honest. It was a great wrap. I really had a lot of fun with that wrap. A lot of people loved it. And a lot of people loved this wrap as well. It's a very memorable wrap too. But it's showing its signs of age, as you can see. And since I've gotten the bike back, it's, you know, the bike's been through some stuff. You know, it's been through some stuff. So the bike was owned by two other people previous of me. My chain's getting a little rusty. I got oil my chain up, and it was dropped. It was dropped. A new exhaust was put on it. As you can see, the new exhaust was put on because it was dropped. It's missing a thingy here, freaking bar end. But all in all, the bike stayed in pretty damn decent shape. I had to put new brakes on it and a few other things on it that needed to get done, which was not a big deal. And I thought to myself, I'm like, you know what? It's probably not a bad idea to put a new fairing kit on, and not a wrap, but an actual new fairing kit on this bike that's going to be good, and it's not going to peel up. Like you can see some of the places where, I mean, this is actually held up pretty good, but you can see where it's kind of peeling up a little bit. This fairing kit, and what I might end up doing, honestly, is I might end up taking this wrap off of this fairing kit and doing another wrap on this fairing kit. So the fairing kit itself is actually in really nice shape, but the fairing kit underneath is actually white. It's actually a matte white fairing kit that I had wrapped over. So I might end up taking the fairing kit and keeping it as a spare and having it wrapped something else. Comment below, let me know what you guys think, if I should take this fairing kit off and unwrap it and keep it as a spare and maybe get another wrap done to it. But we have in this box right here, this beautiful box, thanks to Monster Fairing. Get it over here in the sunlight. There you go. Thanks to Monster Fairing, we have a brand new wrap for my CBR 1000. You guys are going to be freaking amazed. It is going to be so perfect for this bike. It's not even funny. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start taking things out of the box here and do a little unboxing of this, and then show you guys what we have. But I think you guys, once you see what this fairing looks like, and I've known for months what this was going to look like, and I got the idea through I was talking to do it with Dan actually, and he got me in touch with Monster Fairings, which I'm very thankful for. And I worked with them very closely, just like he worked with them very closely on his Gixxer 600 fairing kit, which turned out freaking amazing. And I tell you what, when I seen this and what they were doing and the ideas that I had, I just could not believe it. I was like, man, this thing's gonna look super good. So huge big thanks and shout out to Do It With Dan for getting me in touch with Monster Fairings. I'm very happy about that. They definitely did me a solid. I'm freaking ecstatic. So let's get unboxing, guys, and show you what we have. We're gonna lay everything out on the ground here in front of the bike to show you what this fairing kit is basically gonna look like. You guys are gonna be freaking stoked. Alrighty, let's open her up. Start unwrapping things to show you guys what all we have here. So I will say they definitely packed this up really nice. Really nice. Oh, this is the back. Let's get a razor blade. So I haven't even seen what this looks like. I haven't unpacked any of this. So this is new to me, just like it's new to you guys. the tail section here. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at that, guys. There's the tail section right there. Really, really nice, all painted. This is not a sticker, this is all painted right here. Go ahead and put that right there for right now. We have a double bubble clear windshield as well. I'm not going to unwrap that because there's no need to unwrap that. Here's my nose cone. Let's get that all cut up here. Guys, I'm telling you, you're gonna flip when you see what this is. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Once you see the side panels, you're gonna know exactly what this is gonna look like. Here's the top, the nose. So that's gonna go right here, like so. We'll put that, we'll just set that right there for right now. That way it's not in the way. Here's our front fender right here. Let's get that cut open. I think that's just plain white, if I remember correctly. That's just a plain white fender. I don't think there's any markings on it or anything. Yep. Yeah, that's plain white fender. Yeah. So plain white front fender. Gloss, this is all gloss white, really, really nice. We'll put this right here. There we go. See what we got going on here now. Oh, the side skirts. Oh, guys, I'm telling you, here's the gas tank. And it comes with plastics as well, which is freaking convenient. And it comes with plastics. I'm gonna be very, very happy about that. Oh yeah, it comes with all the plastics. So we have all the side plastics like here, stuff like that. All the underbelly plastics. We're gonna put that all right there. That's nothing exciting about that. That's just plastic pieces. Oh boy, guys. See, the crazy part is I already know what this is gonna look like. And you guys don't. At least right now you don't. This might give you an idea, guys. This might give you an idea where this is going. Here's the tank cover with badges. They include the badges as well, which is really, really rare. But there's the tank cover. We'll put that right there. Can you guys guess what this is gonna be here soon? Can you guys like figure it out maybe? We have the underbelly, which is black. So my underbelly piece is gonna be just black, nothing crazy. Let's cut it open here. That way I can show you guys. Monster Fairing definitely has a very, very well-made kit. So if you have a motorcycle and you need a fairing kit, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if do what Dan and I can let you guys know that this is the way to go with fairing kit, then you know we're doing something right, guys, because this is nice. They definitely do a good job with packing and everything. This is my underbelly, and what's actually really, really nice about this, which I didn't notice until now, is where'd my razor blade go? Razor blade. Found it, guys. What's really, really nice about this is with the underbelly, they already put the heat tape on for you, which is really convenient. You don't have to put that on. I might add more heat tape, but that's gonna go down here. That's basically gonna go on the bottom there like that. Okay, what else we got? Now we have the two side pieces, and they actually include more heat tape for you as well. So that's very convenient. Here's my one-up seat. Oh, come on. I got a new one-up seat, which is very, very nice, with a new pad too. So, I don't think there's any, yeah, this is just a white one. This is just white, so it's gonna sit up here, but they include the new pad as well for you. So the pad's in there as well, which is really, really nice. So that's gonna sit there like that. And then we have our, well, we have more pieces here. We have, this is my back piece that goes under here. Let's get this unwrapped here. Hope you guys can see what that looks like. I want you to see as much of this as possible. So that piece here sits under here, right there. We'll put that on the seat for right now. I don't want to get it damaged or anything. There we go. And then we have our side fairing here, guys. And I think this is going to be, yep, this is going to be this side. Let's move this out of the way. This is it, guys, right here. This is what you've all been waiting for. This amazing side piece that is going to transform this bike into something so freaking wild and cool. And appropriate, by the way. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Bam! Look at, man. I'm not even gonna get the other side. The other fairings on the other side. But look at that. Oh, this is the other side. I'm wrong. I messed up. This is the other side. We're gonna pull the other side out here. Hold on a minute. I gotta show you the other side. I gotta get on the right side here. Done fucked up. Okay, here we go. Now we got the right side fairing all out. So, let's unwrap this for you guys. There it is. The right side fairing. And that's gonna go right here. And as you guys can see, when everything's matched up, you're basically gonna get an idea what this thing's gonna look like and why I did what I did. But check that out, guys. Let's sit that there. Let's sit this one right here. Look at that. It's amazing. There you go, guys. The Japanese rising sun flag as a fairing kit on a CBR, Honda CBR 1000RR. And obviously, guys, this makes perfect sense because manufactured in Japan by Honda Motor Company. You can't go wrong. Tell me this is not the perfect freaking fairing kit for this bike. It can't get any more perfecter, this ain't even a word, perfecter than this, guys. Freaking, I'm so excited that Monster Fairings was able to pull this off for me and do this fairing kit. It's freaking awesome. This is a custom fairing kit. They don't offer this on their website. I talked to them and I designed it. They gave me a couple different renderings and I picked the one that I like, and this was the one that I liked the most because it just felt right. It felt like it belonged on this bike. This is just crazy. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you freaking think. Let me know if I made the right choice by going with a Japanese rising sun flag on a Honda CBR. I think I did, but comment below. Let me know. Dang, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And again, this is paint. This is not a sticker. This is painted on fairing or molded fairing. This is not a sticker, so it's not going to come off. And honestly, this white is going to look super duper freaking good with the pearl white wheels. I got to clean them up there. A little dirty, little dingy, little dirty. There is pearl flake in these wheels when I got these wheels done. So they look really, really nice in the sunlight when they're clean. But that white, that gloss white is going to look amazing. Just freaking amazing with these wheels and the black accents of the bike as well. Like I said, guys, comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I mean, huge freaking thanks to Monster Fairings, guys. Huge freaking thanks. They definitely they're gonna make this bike come to life again. The other cool thing is they also include in their kits an entire bolt setup, all the little washers, the bolts, even the little end pieces that the bolts go into. They have it all in one little convenient kit for you, which honestly is freaking amazing, guys. Freaking amazing. So you literally get everything. You get the fairing kit, a custom fairing kit if you want to do a custom fairing kit, or one of the many fairing kits that they have on their website. Go check them out. I will have their link in the description below. They're going to be down the sponsors link down there, so you can go check them out. But it comes with everything. It comes with the heat wrap. It comes with the fairing kit. It comes nicely packaged and boxed. You literally watched me unbox this entire fairing kit, and every single piece was wrapped accordingly. It came with a clear double bubble windshield. Now, I don't know if you can get a tinted one, but I'm sure it might be an option. You'd have to contact them to find out, but I'm sure there was an option to possibly get a tinted windshield, double bubble. And what's really cool about this kit is some kits don't come with the emblem. This kit here, the kit that's on the bike right now, did not come with emblems. I had to get the custom emblems, but this kit actually comes with the emblems already stamped or already placed into the tank pad or the tank cover, which is super convenient and super nice. I was not expecting that. I was expecting to honestly go on eBay and having to find another set of like carbon fiber Honda badges or something of that nature. But when I unboxed that and I seen that they were already there, I was like, holy shit, they're already there. It's freaking amazing. So this is literally a complete kit. You do not have to do anything other than install it and not have to buy any extra parts whatsoever, which is super duper convenient, guys. So do me a huge favor, go down and check out Monster Fairings, and if you have a motorcycle and you need a fairing kit, I highly recommend this company for your fairing kit. It did take about a couple weeks to get this kit, which is about normal, honestly, which ain't a big deal. So it did take a couple weeks to get the kit, but if you can wait a couple weeks, you're gonna get one hell of a freaking nice product, which you're gonna enjoy and love so much. So I'm super happy and hope you guys are freaking happy that this is happening. It's a hell of a freaking design that they did for me, so I thank them very much. Other than that, guys, one of the next videos in the future that you're going to see is obviously me installing the kit piece by piece and showing you what the finished product of the bike looks like, which is going to be another great video for you guys to watch. If you haven't done it already, do me a huge favor and hit that notification bell, put it on all, and also tap that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, and you'll see the installation of this, which I'm sure you'll be anxious to see anyways. But yeah, guys, other than that, man, that's pretty much it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super happy. Like I said, I haven't seen this until I unboxed it just now. This is the first time of me actually laying my eyes on this kit, and it's freaking phenomenal. I'm super excited to put it on the bike and start riding. It's gonna be freaking nice, guys. But other than that, hope you all have a great freaking day, and deuces, guys.